Steve Baser here, Application Engineer, Lincoln Electric. Today I'm going to cover battery location and how to change the batteries on one of our 1740 series Viking welding hoods. So if we go ahead and see the inside here, you'll notice up top we have this little slide. It's going to release that. This hood's going to come with two AAA batteries. They're going to slide right in there like that. You can see, recognize we got power now. Make sure that clicks and you're ready to weld. That's battery location and how to change it on a Viking 1740 series welding hood.